Hey guys, it's Precision Airsoft 98 here. Today we're doing a shooting test of the Src g36c. Got fully loaded mag, pretty much fully loaded. Got my hop up on, and I've got an 8.4 battery in the front. Not fully charged, so it might run out, or the rate of fire won't be as high, but I'll do my best. Let's see what we can get. Got the target set up down there, blank target. See what we can do to it. Just got to wind it on. As you can see, I'm starting out with semi-auto. Eventually I'll move on to fully automatic. Alright, wind it on and then move on to fully automatic. Alright, let's go. Just so you know, all these shots are from standing up. So I'm going to take a nail down now and see how accurate it is like that. I'm going to go turn the box back round because it's moving on to the side that I've already used. So I used the same box for the KM19 shooting test. Just turned it round so I've got a blank side to use for this gun. So let's get it shooting again. I'm going to turn that round again. Right, this time guys, I'm going to fold the stock and take some shots from standing up to see how accurate it is with the stock folded. Obviously with the stock it'll probably be more accurate because you can get it into your shoulder and steady it. So just see how it gets on like this. Nearly out of ammo. Let's finish it off. I think that's me nearly out now. Just get out these last few shots. Okay, so there we go. Let's make sure it's empty. Put that down, and now we can go and investigate the damage that has been done. So that's the used side. I'll just get onto the. Oh my god, that is extraordinary. I mean, look at that, it's just torn all the way through it. That's the back of it. Obviously, it was probably open like that most of the time, so most of them would have gone and hit the wall. But on the front, it is just total destruction. I mean, that's like you can probably see, I don't know, but in there it is a double layer of cardboard and it's still torn right the way through it. Because this was the bottom of the box, so obviously that's where it's all folded in. You can see down here and stuff. So it's been a double layer of cardboard that's just gone straight through it and totally destroyed it. So that has been the shooting test of the Src g36c. Maybe I'll probably do some drill, like tactical drill videos next with the KWA pistol, and I'll post them up. Thanks for watching, see you guys next time.